Okay, so now we're on page 149, and we're just going to go through really quick and review some radicals. So the square root of 25 is 5, the square root of 9 is 3, the square root of 100 is 10, the square root of 64 is 8, square root of 121 is 11, square root of 36 is 6, square root of 196, 14 I believe, and I'm going to have to check myself on that one because I want to make sure I tell you right. Yep, 14. Square root of 81 is 9, square root of 16 is 4, square root of 49 is 7, square root of 144 is 12, square root of 225 is 25. Oops. Nope, that's not right. 15. And the square root of 169 is 13. Okay, so down here at the bottom, we're gonna use our little triangles. And so number 1 says AB, so side AB right here is 1, and side AC is 2, so it's a half. DE is 1, and EF is 1, so this is just 1. EF is 1, and DF is root 2, and we're not going to leave it like that, we're going to rationalize it, so we're going to multiply by root 2 over root 2, which is going to get us root 2 over 2. Letter D, AB is 1, CB is root 3, so we have to rationalize. To rationalize, we multiply by root 3 over root 3, which is the same thing as multiplying by 1, so we're not changing anything. Square root of 3 over 3. BC is the same thing as CB, root 3. AC is 2. That's rationalized, we can leave it alone. DE is 1, DF is root 2. Again, we have to rationalize. Root 2 over 2. DF is root 2. FE is 1, so this is just root 2. AC is 2. AB is 1, so this is just 2. AC is 2, CB is root 3, so we have to multiply by root 3 over root 3. 2 root 3 over 3. So if you need some practice rationalizing some more, there's 3 examples on the bottom of page 149. And now I'm going to kind of pick and choose a couple to do on page 150. So let's start with number 6. So we have to rationalize this by multiplying by square root of 2 over the square root of 2. And so on top you're going to get 6 root 2 all over 2, and then you have to simplify one more time because 6 divided by 2 is 3 root 2. Let's try number 6. Multiply by root 7 over root 7. So you get 42 root 7 all over 7. 42 divided by 7 is 6, so the answer to this is 6 root 7. Let's see if we can find another one to do. You could rationalize this, or you could know that the square root of 225, sorry, problem number 11. You should know that the square root of 225 is 15, so this is just like saying 1 over 15. And now there's no rationalizing that has to happen. Let's look at number 13. Number 13, when you rationalize, you don't need to multiply by the 3 and the root 2. You just need the root 2. If you did the 3, your answer is going to be 3 times bigger than it needs to be. So now I have 8 root 2 over 6, and that reduces to 4 root 2 over 3. Number 19, let's try number 19. We can rewrite this as 2, and then the square root of 300 can be rewritten as the square root of 3 and 100. So this is like 10 root 3. And this is like number 13. Now I only have to multiply by root 3 over root 3. So I get 2 root 3 over 30, which is going to reduce it down to root 3 over 15. And I'm hoping by now you're kind of getting the swing of it, or you're understanding it. If you feel like you need to do some more examples, go ahead and do them, and if you need the answers, you can ask your teacher or post a question on Edmodo.